What if I told you there is a way to make money from Pinterest, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, and even Facebook, guys? The only thing that you will need is just one video or one picture. We are constantly posting videos and pictures anyway in our social media platforms. Why not use the same videos to make money? Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is LindyShirries. In this channel, we make money online. We do crypto and Forex. If you are interested in making money online, building your side hustle, or maybe doing it part-time, this channel, it is the channel for you. And please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification so that you can be reminded every time I post a video. So in today's video, I am going to show you how to take that one video, add captions, edit it, and then post it on Pinterest, YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook, guys, so that you can get paid in all these platforms by just one video. So I think that's the smartest way to work, especially using AI. In this day and age, we are able to do these things. So I am going to show you step by step, guys. Do not skip this video because you do need to know everything in order for you to be successful in this strategy. So without wasting time, let's go to my laptop.
So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to find a video which I'm going to use. This is the video I'm going to edit. So I'll just go to CapCut, click create a new project, click to upload. So you just take any video that you have. And then for me, I am going to use this one because I like to reuse content. So I'm going to the folder where the video is. And now I've uploaded the video. I add it to the timeline. And then after adding it to the timeline, this is the CapCut project. So now I need to change the sizes. The sizes must be the TikTok one because this is going to be used for YouTube Shorts and also Pinterest. And then I want it to be like that. So guys, make sure that when you record this video, use like the alignment for TikTok, which is portrait, not horizontal one. So I've added the video and now I am going to split it and make sure that I only take the first 60 seconds. So I'm only going to take 50. So we make sure it's 50, especially if you want to add something at the end. For me, I want to add the actual thumbnail of this video, but then you don't need to do this if you do not have a channel. You can just add anything that you want at the end. Maybe something like contact me if you're selling a product. Yeah, you can add something like that. So I align it and then I make the video bigger because remember mine was recorded for YouTube, not for TikTok. So I'm just going to make it bigger, but because I have the empty space on at the top and the bottom, I go to elements and then I am going to type crypto so that I do have something because I am talking about crypto. So I'm going to pull this to the canvas. When you click the picture, it will show something on the left, smart tool, and then you click auto removal. We are removing the background. So the reason why we're removing so that it just looks nice. So can you see now I can just make it smaller and good, and the background was removed. So now if you want to add a background, you can just type background white under elements or whatever color, or if you want wood, you can add that as well. And then you drag it to the timeline at the bottom of the video, and can you see this is how you will add a background. But for this video, I'm not going to add a background. I'm going to remove it. And then now we're going to add captions. These are the words that are there. You click captions and then you generate the words. The words will be generated automatically. So can you see I have the words now generated? These are the words that you see playing every time you see a short or a TikTok video. So when you play it, you see the words are not fitting properly. So you basically double click where it ends and then you click enter. And then now can you see the words are fitting properly. So this is a way for you to just continue checking every part of this video. So now we are busy and then it's showing the words correctly. Here it's not, then I'm going to double click and then click enter. So the words will show. So when you click the words as well, the presets will show on your right hand side. You can select the type of words that you want to see. So now I'm going to click text on the left hand side. So the reason I'm doing this is because I want when my YouTube short appears, it should show the words of what the video is all about. So this is not nice when you do it on YouTube. And then I'm going to edit and then I'm going to change the color as well. So you can just click under basic and then you change the colors and then you'll be done with that. So you can align it and make sure that it doesn't show with the whole video. It only shows the first part. So now I'm aligning the crypto part so that it shows until the end. But then now I need to add something that will lead people back to my YouTube channel. Because remember, if people are coming from Pinterest or from TikTok, you want them to know which YouTube YouTube channel they can connect to. So, and also I encourage them to like, to subscribe. You can add all of that just here by just going to elements, select what you want to add, and then you'll be able to add that as well. So if you want to add another element like a cell phone, you just add under elements and then you remove the background. You can go to animation to make that phone play a bit, and then that's how you will do it as well. So can you see on the left hand side there are words under captions? You can also edit those words. So right at the end, I want people to watch my video, the full video, on my YouTube channel. So I'm going to add that at the top, and then I'm going to remove the crypto part at the bottom so that it only shows at the top. It only shows up until to a specific time in the video. Right at the end, I do not want to show it, so that's why I'm adding that. So now I am going to add, and then I'm going to edit this, and then I'm going to add another subscribe, and then once I am done and happy with my video, I'll click export and then click download. I can actually post the video from here, but then it is recommended that you do it from your phone, because that way if it's from CapCut, then it will say from CapCut, but then if you download and do it, you can do it to all the platforms. So once you export, you download the video it is there, you will see it when it is done. So it will just export, and then this is the video. I am happy with it. Remember, I took the existing video that I already have. So if you want me to help you create your YouTube channel, I can assist you guys, and then you just have to book my one-on-one training, which is just $20 or around 300 rand. So I'm going to post now on social media now that we have the video. So I take the video and then I check it, and then once I am happy with that, I go to my TikTok. At the bottom I click add, and then I'm selecting the video. And then after selecting, can you see the video is here and the words are also there, but then I'm going to click under text. That's just to show you, if you do not have like the intro that you've added on CapCut, you can also add it here. But then I'm not going to use this one because I already have the intro. I'll show you right at the end. So I'm just going to remove this, and then you add graphics. You just want people to watch the full video on YouTube. So this is just going to benefit you with getting more subscribers, getting more views, getting more money also on YouTube. So you're pulling people from TikTok to YouTube, from Pinterest to YouTube, and then you add those as well. So now that I'm also happy, a trick that you need to do to get the hashtags, go copy the hashtags related to the video. So it's just words that people might type to looking for that. So you type all of those words, and then when you're done, you make it smaller, you put it at the bottom. It shouldn't show. So this will also get more people. And then once you click next, and then you type your post. So I'm just going to say watch full video on my channel. So the more people, I will be getting views from here on TikTok and also views on my channel. So here as well, you add your hashtags. I want you guys to look at select cover. Sometimes you see TikTok videos that comes with different front covers, so you can select from here, and then add the hashtags, guys. You just click hashtag, and then sometimes it will even give you the words. So I'm now going to upload a YouTube short, and then this is more money, guys. Just the YouTube short, it brings subscribers. You click the plus sign at the bottom, and then it will show you all the videos that you have, and then you select the video, and then once it starts loading, it will give you this, guys. So look at the top, guys, where it has this edit sign. Click there so that you can select the type of thumbnail that you want it to show. So for me, I am going to click so that it does show this one. So that's the reason why I create this front part there. And then with the description, guys, you can go to ChatGPT and say, give me YouTube short title for Binance tutorial, and then it will give you the title. It will also give you the description if you want, and then you can say give me as well as hashtags. It will also give you that, guys. So this is something as well that you can do. So this is what it has generated for me. I'm just going to copy this and take it to my YouTube short. So I'm just going to paste it there. Remember, guys, with the hashtags as well. So under visibility, you see it's private. I want it to be on public, but then if you do not want to post the video on public, so check at the bottom, it has schedule. So once you click, it will show this. Click the date, and then once you click OK, it will also give you the time. Just just make sure you don't mistake 12 a.m. and 12 p.m. or 2 a.m. and 2 p.m. Select the right one and click OK. Your video will be scheduled, guys. So for me, I do want visibility to be public as well. So now that I've clicked upload, and then you just go back to your channel and click your videos, and then you see the progress of the video uploading, guys. And then once it's still doing that, we are going to go to the laptop. This is for people who have a laptop. If you do not have the laptop, you do not need to do this, or worry about it. You click shorts, and then it'll show this video while it's still processing. So we are going to add the description, guys. Make sure you select a thumbnail. You go to ChatGPT and say, give me a description that has most searchable content, and then with the links, and then you give it the links. So I am adding the links as well. So this is something that you can also create. If you have referral links, if you are an affiliate for a company, you can just add that here, guys. Even if you do not have, just go to Binance, create an account, and then when people join using your referral, you get something out of it. So just go to Binance, click the profile, and then you will get referral. You copy it, and then you have your referral. So if you do not know what other referrals, I do have a video that will show you which companies you can get referral links, and then you can post here, because this is money. The more you post, it will help. And then now go to tags at the bottom, go to ChatGPT again and say, give me tags for my YouTube channel for this specific topic. So it gives you all the tags that you need. So you just copy, but then I'm not going to copy. I'm just going to copy one by one because it has a hashtag, and tags and hashtags are not the same. Tags is just words, and then hashtags is just hashtags, guys. And then I'm going to add all the hashtags until I am happy and click save when I am done. So now our video, it will be searchable, and then people, when they search, because it is placed in the right category, and then I am able. So I already have one viewer. So now we go to Pinterest. You just click create a pin, or you can create an idea pin. So and then I click and upload the same video that I've downloaded from CapCut. And then here, guys, the same thing. You add your YouTube link so that you can get more viewers. If you do not have, add whatever affiliate that you have, copy the same titles, copy the same description, and click publish, guys. So now you've just published as well on Pinterest. That's more people coming from Pinterest. And if someone click this link and go to whatever you are selling, going to make money. So now we go to Facebook, and then we click to Meta Business Suite. And then once you get here, guys, you would see you can click create a view. But then I'm going to show you how you are going to make money. So when you click monetize, you would see that there's different ways to make money. Subscription, and then there's also stars, and then there's other monetization. The one that I am actually interested in, it is the in-stream ads, and then in-stream ads for live. And apparently from what I'm hearing, Facebook pays more than YouTube. So let's view the criteria. So the criteria is you must have 5,000 followers. I already have 5,000 followers. So if you do not have, you just need to see. And then as well, I need to have 60,000 on demand live and previous minutes. So that's what I am trying to build, guys. So let's go back to home, and then we'll be able to see. And then can you see it's posting both on Facebook and Instagram? So you click create reel, and then you click open, and then it will upload that reel. So you go back to the same title, guys. So I suggest you put it on Notepad, and then you copy and paste, and then put it there, guys. So I'm just going to go to my YouTube video, and then I'm going to copy there, guys, and then paste it. And then after pasting, and then I'll be able to continue with this video. So let's go back. I'm pasting under caption reel. This is what the people are going to see. Add the hashtags always. And then after, select the thumbnail that you want people to see, and then I've just selected the one. If you do not select, it will show anything, even if it's when you are coughing or something. And then if the video is more than 10 minutes, you can just make it smaller there, and then you click next. And then here under share, don't click share. If you want to schedule, you can just go at the top and schedule and set the data that you want. But for me, I am going to share now. So I'm basically going to click share. This is live. It is going to my YouTube channel. So these are the ways you can make money, guys. You can make money from all these platforms. Just one video, you're selling your affiliate links, you are promoting your YouTube channel, you are also growing your TikTok account, your Instagram, and then you start getting brand deals, which is something that I am already getting, guys. So you just need to focus, be consistent, keep posting, and then you will make money. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification.